Welcome to a little wet weekend in Wales then. It's constantly wet at the minute. It's driving me absolutely mental, which is why I'm only been able to sort of put out one video a week, because I'll explain it in another video. But I ran out of petrol coming up here this morning, so I finally made it. I had a bit of a meeting with a few of my friends up here as well, so they've now gone home. So it's time to make a little video for you all, just for you to see what that bike goes like and sounds like. And obviously it's about time I rode the bike as well. So yeah, I'm going to switch over to this camera now and let's go and have a play. Oh, so it's been a while then. It's nice to get out, but this weather, man, is driving me absolutely mental. We just can't seem to be getting a break from it. And it obviously doesn't do the cameras and the footage, really. That's the main thing. It doesn't do the footage any good, because you're just constantly seeing blobs of rain on the screen and hand wipes like that. So we're just gonna have a bit of a plod around, do a little bit of exploring. And this place has changed significantly since the last time I put a video up riding here. It's a lot muddier. I've already been around, obviously. I've had a little bit of a ride around already this morning. But it's like an ice rink. Which is obviously not too fun when you're riding around on your own, because if you come off and you injure yourself, you're in deep trouble. There's low-hanging trees. There was one earlier on. Honestly, it was like a little javelin. If it hit me, I probably would have a hole in my chest now. So let's go then. Let's have a play on the rocky stuff. Man, it's nice being out on this thing again. You forget how cool a two-stroke is and how capable it is. It's these rocks, man, they just bounce you around. It's brilliant. It's a right wrist burner. But fun to do nonetheless. I don't even know what to say, because I'm still trying to concentrate on actually what's going on the floor that is distracting. But oh man, I forgot how good this bike is. Hi buddy! Hi bud! The quad bikers! He's nice and highly visible. Fair play. This is where things start to get crap now, because this is so slippery that just can't get any grip on it at all. So let's go to play on a hill. So here we are then. Nice little bit of a hill, nothing too mental, but it's probably wet enough that I can't get any grip, so I'll just end up spinning anyway. So oh well, let's do that hit and hope thing, and wish me luck. See you at the top. Alright, cool, that was alright. See if we can get down there all right. It's a little bit slippery, but good fun nonetheless. So yeah, that was the first one. Oh. Come on, pull. I shut off then, and I shouldn't have done because of that ghost bush, so that was a bit of a poor effort. But hey, it's fun nonetheless. I genuinely couldn't care what anyone thinks because I'm having fun. But yeah, I was hoping to put a little bit of a second view on the older handlebars today, and then I was thinking I need to put it on the mudguard instead, because if I headbutt the handlebars there's going to be a camera in my face and I didn't want to do that. So yeah, I'm going to put another camera there, I think, on the mudguard that faces up. The GoPro's like anti-shake technology stuff is amazing, so should be okay. But again, that's a test for another day. You gotta let it settle for 48 hours or 24 hours, something like that, once you stick them on. So I'll put the pad on another day when it's dry, and then hopefully we'll have a two angle camera view and a bit of fun, so you can see how annoyed my face is when stuff's going wrong. But yeah, let's do this hill one more time, and I think I'll move on to the next one. Oh my god, it's so slippery. I hope I didn't make any weird noises then. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see what the camera footage on the ground looks like, because I mean I was sat down for most of that. But hey, it's been a while since I've ridden this bike off-road, so yeah, it's gonna be funny to get back into the swing of things. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. So here we are then. This one again isn't very steep. Ah, no way. Horses. Coolio. So the horses are gone now. So let's go again for this. I'm not going to play that game of, oh, the GoPro doesn't really show how steep it is. That is probably true, but the fact of the matter is I'm not a really good rider anyway. So the moment the bike starts getting a bit leery underneath me, I kind of don't know how to react, especially in all this mud here, because there's no grip there, and obviously the front just starts to give it a bit of a wiggle. So whatever, no excuses. I'm just gonna have a play and I'm just enjoying myself. That's what it all comes down to. I think people forget that, don't they? I don't care what people see or say, as long as I'm okay. That was rapido. Man, I got up that way quicker than I thought it was going to be. And it's not as bad going down either by the looks of it. So that was fun. Yeah, that was alright, that. Bit of second gear action. Do it again, shall we? Oh. Man, I'd love to be able to like get on a track and learn how to ride on a track. It's just things cost so much money, and my van doesn't work anymore. Well, it works. It needs a lot of welding. So I can't take my bike to places. And that's why I've not really ridden it so much, you know. I love the bike. It was great fun seeing the boys enjoying it earlier as well. So I didn't think I was going to enjoy being out on this as much as I did today. But the fact of the matter is, I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to finish making the video in a bit. And then I'm probably going to have a bit more of a ride down the bottom. But I'm going to do this hill again. Bit more chill that was that time. The engine wasn't singing as much, so it didn't feel as much fun because the bike was doing the work the first time I came up here, and then I was just kind of waiting for the engine to die that second time. But ah man, what a fun thing to do this, isn't it? And those horse riders were lovely as well, which is what we want. Because like I shouted at a woman before, I'd stopped the bike and put the engine off as well, and she still was not happy. But you can't please everyone. That's the outlook I got on everything to do with life. You can't please everyone, so there's no point in trying. Just enjoy what you enjoy, as long as it doesn't financially drain you or wreck you in any way. Bit of slip and grip then. Man, that was a bit of an abortion to look at that then. That must have looked terrible. But I got up here. I didn't send the bike. I don't care. I'm going to probably come up here as a bit more often now, because it's just nice to get out and ride this thing. And this thing has like sort of helped me enjoy motorcycling again. Oh. Such a squid, as they would say in other parts of the world. So I'm going to go that way now, and I'm going to go down the hill there and then back up it, and it's a bit of a different one. So I'll see you there. So that's camera angle number 2, set right up there. And I go down here and then turn around and just come at it. But before I go up there, I want to say a big hello to Alan Bolter, who had an accident before Christmas time on his 1150 GS. It wrote his GS off, put him in a bit of a bad way. Lovely bloke. So I hope you're recovering well, mate. I really do. And I hope you're back on the road on 2 wheels as soon as you can. And also to Ridge Baker as well. Ridge is doing some really cool stuff. Man, he's got himself a nice trials bike, and he's learning all sorts of things, and he's entering a trials competition soon. He learned how to balance. He's better at balancing a bike than I am. And he's doing all sorts of crazy stuff, which kind of inspired me to get back out onto this. So thank you, Ridge. I really appreciate it, mate. And all the best with the competition. I'll be keeping an eye out for your videos soon. And also, cheers to Gavin, Craig and Wayne for coming up earlier on and having a chat. It really put me in a good mood. And now that the rain's coming again, I'm not feeling so sort of low in spirits. So yeah, let's go for this hill again then, shall we? And I think I'm going to call it there. We're going to get down to the bottom. I'll pick up the GoPro and say hello properly, and goodbye properly rather. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the warmer weather, the drier weather, just so I can do a bit more with the bikes. And I can probably film multiple videos in one day if that is the case, you know, so then I can bring you more videos throughout the week. So that is the goal. So thank you for all sticking with the channel. Thank you for doing all that, liking, subscribing. Thanks for the comments. Honestly, I really do enjoy engaging with all of you. I don't want to kind of ruin the day for these horse riders. I'm going to go home, call it a day. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe also, that would be awesome. But for now, I'm going to leave it to it, and I'll bring you another video soon. Bye bye.